Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So I know this intro is a little different than what I usually do, but today is an exciting video. So today is going to be kind of like a vlogish type of video. I'm going to bring you to the gym with me. So I know my channel is mostly beauty related, but I kind of wanted to change it up. I know I started with makeup and my channel is mainly makeup, but I just wanted to bring different types of videos in my channel. That way it's just not like all makeup tutorials, because like, let's be real, honestly, not a lot of people watch makeup tutorials as much anymore. So I wanted my channel to be a little bit more interesting. So for the past few months, I've been really into the gym. I've been trying to lose a little weight and trying to be a little bit more fit and healthy and just feel better physically and mentally and like all those stuff. But for the past almost 3 weeks now, I've been like super strict with the gym and with my diet and all that stuff. So this is my life now. So since the gym and eating healthy is a pretty big part of my life now, I thought I'd share it with you guys, because you guys know I share everything. I mean, I'm on the internet, so. I just washed my face, so please excuse it looking super shiny. I just moisturized, so I'm not oily or sweaty yet, so don't be judging out there. But yeah, so that's what this whole video is basically going to be about. I'm going to show you my workouts that I do today. I'm going to show you what I eat for breakfast, the supplements I take, the pre-workout, the protein shakes I take, literally everything and anything that has to do with me working out, I will be showing you today. It is 10:24 right now. I will be going to the gym around 11ish. I'm actually going with one of my friends, Giselle. So yeah, I just want to put a disclaimer there that I am not a professional at all. I'm just doing what works for me. Some things might work for you and some things might not. So yeah, we're going to the gym around 11, so it's 10:25 right now. So I'm just going to show you my breakfast and pretty much how I get started to go to the gym. All right. Please excuse my kitchen right now. It is a little messy. Sorry. So for breakfast today, I'm going to have oatmeal. I had eggs yesterday, but I came to the conclusion that I think I'm 100%, maybe not 100%, but like 75% lactose intolerant. Because every time I have dairy, girl, you know. So I'm trying to cut out dairy as much as possible. I pretty much cut out milk. I only really drink almond milk. So there's that. So I'm just gonna have oatmeal today. Oh my god, you can tell this is my cabinet because of all these like healthy stuff right there. So yeah, I'm going to eat oatmeal today. I just use the Quaker ones. I actually ran out of all of my plain ones, the one that have no flavor in it at all. I kind of prefer those because like it doesn't have any added stuff or like, oh my god, or like extra sugars and stuff. This one right here is the maple and brown sugar, which is really good, but I don't know, I just kind of like adding my own stuff into the oatmeal rather than it having stuff. But this is what I'm working with right now. So I actually have you on a box of cereal because I don't have a tripod right now. So like I was saying, this is the almond milk that I use. I use the vanilla flavor. I love this thing so much. So first thing I do is take the oatmeal, just rip it open, pour it in the bowl. And then, I don't even know if a lot of people know this, but if you see this line right here, that's where you're supposed to take the milk and pour it in and stop at that line. A lot of people didn't know that. So if you didn't know that, you're welcome. Oh wait, I showed you the wrong line. It's not this line, it's this one right here. Then I just open my microwave, obviously, take it, put it in there, and then I put it in for 2 minutes. Ew, I'm making some weird sounds. There you go. Okay, so while that's heating up, I'm actually gonna cut some avocado up that I actually had yesterday, but I saved half of, so I'm gonna cut this up so I can eat that. And then I'm also gonna cut up some banana to put in my oatmeal. So yeah, this is pretty much my breakfast on what I eat in the morning. It always changes up. It's usually not always the same. Yeah, and then I also drink a glass of water. But before I eat any of this, I always take a supplement. This is the ACNE. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, honestly. But this is their balance supplement. So this promotes, like, it helps with weight management, hormonal balance, improves mood, and supports complexion and brighter skin. So I've been taking this for about, I want to say like 5 days now, and I think it's helping me, at least with the mood part. With the skin part, I have no idea. You know, like, skin takes a while before you even see improvements in anything, so I'm waiting for that. But weight management, I'm not too sure on all the other stuff, but definitely with mood, I think it makes me a lot happier. And then a lot more, like, I don't know. My mood changes very, very quickly. I'm a very moody person, honestly. Like, little things can piss me off and my whole day will be ruined. So since I've been taking these, like, the little things that used to, like, piss me off don't really piss me off anymore. I kind of just let it go. I'm just like, yeah, whatever, fuck it. Oops, sorry. But yeah, I don't know if that's just like a mental thing, because I think it's helping my mood, or it's actually helping, but I'm not sure. So I'm actually supposed to take like 4 of these before my morning meal. These things are huge. I know they look tiny, but they're huge, and they are the hardest thing to swallow. Like, I can swallow pills with no problems, but for some reason these are the worst. I can't. So usually when I'm eating breakfast, I like to just watch Netflix and kind of just keep myself entertained, because I get very, very bored easily. So I'm watching, right now I'm watching Friends for the 4th time from season 1. If you guys have any good show recommendations on Netflix or like Stars or Hulu, because I have all 3, let me know, because I really need something new to watch. Alright guys, so I'm here with my friend Giselle. I'm not going to show her face because she doesn't want to say hi, but wave your hand. Hey guys. So we're at the gym right now. I go to Planet Fitness because it's cheap and I can afford it, okay? Alright, so I'm chugging my pre-workout right now because I need energy, because I'm really lazy today. I showed you before which one I was using, the ACNE one, I think it was, and it was, I forgot the flavor, but I showed you before. So now we're gonna work out. I'm doing legs today. Giselle's gonna do upper body. Oh my god, Giselle. Why is she snapping me right now? Anyways, so we're just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do lower body. Giselle's doing upper body. And yeah, so I'll see you guys inside. Bye.